Bitfinex hacker moves around $7.5 billion worth of Bitcoin amidst Coinbase listing. Guys, in this video, I'm going to go over why you need a VPN when you're trading or investing in or using cryptocurrency, okay? Now, my personal favorite is Purevpn. I actually have a discount link with them where if you use the link in the description and in the comment section down below, if you use that link, you will get an amazing discount, okay? But that is just for Purevpn. If you don't want to use Purevpn, there's a ton of other VPNs out there, but this VPN is my personal favorite, and they're one of the most affordable ones. And they have all the features you need for cryptocurrency investing and trading. So number one is, why do you need a VPN if you're involved in crypto? And that simple answer is privacy, okay? When you are using a VPN, hackers and people who want to steal your cryptocurrency, they cannot find out nearly as much information about you. And that is because you are using an encrypted network every time you sign in and connect to your VPN, okay? So they're not going to be able to pin down where you are. They're not going to be able to pin down your IP address. They're not going to be able to get nearly as much information about you if you're using a VPN. Now, one of the key features that Purevpn has is an internet kill switch, okay? Right here. This is basically a safety mechanism that makes it so if in the event your VPN goes down, right, it automatically disconnects. It automatically disconnects from the internet temporarily, and what this does is it makes sure that if you're on an exchange and you're trading crypto, this is to make sure that if in the event you disconnect, it will disconnect from that website, okay? Also, logless VPN. Purevpn does not and will never keep logs. What you do online should only stay with you. This is one of the key things that made me choose Purevpn. There are a lot of VPNs out there that will keep your logs, and if they are ordered to turn over those logs, you are screwed, basically, okay? Now, Purevpn does not keep any logs. They truly believe in privacy. They truly believe in, protecting your data, and they're not gonna, give over your logs to any, government agency. And believe it or not, a lot of free VPNs, the free ones out there, they will actually sell your data to advertisers, right? They will sell your data to advertisers, and that is a huge privacy violation. That is why I always tell people you get what you pay for, especially when it comes to VPNs. If you're going to go out and use a free VPN, just know everything you do online is going to be sold to somebody because they're going to make money somehow. If you're using a paid VPN, especially if you're using Purevpn, you don't have to worry about that. So firstly, one of the big major benefits of using a VPN if you're involved in cryptocurrency is enhanced privacy, where they can't see your IP address, they can't pin you down, they can't see your location. That is a huge benefit. Now, a second big benefit of using Purevpn is you get to bypass internet restriction, okay? Purevpn lets you break free from the geo restrictions and censorships, so you have unrestricted access to websites, videos, live events, P2P torrenting, and more, okay? What this essentially means is that if there is an exchange, let's say, that is banned in your country, right? There's a cryptocurrency exchange where they're blocking all US users, you could bypass that with Purevpn simply by connecting to a different country, okay? So if you're in India and they ban a certain cryptocurrency exchange, you will set your Purevpn, you go into your app, you'll set your location to, let's say, Canada, and you could connect there, and then you could access that website. Now, I personally, this isn't crypto related, but I personally recently used this very feature to watch a show on Netflix that is not yet available in the US, okay? I was watching Riverdale on Netflix, and they don't have the episodes up in the US yet, so I connected to Canada where the licensing or whatever is different, and I've been watching that, completely fine with no lag, no issues. Purevpn has really great speeds, so that is another benefit. If you're involved with trading and investing in whatever with cryptocurrency, you could you could use any website you want. Okay, nothing could ban you because you could just connect to a country where that website isn't banned, and then you're all set. Purevpn, they have been, featured on Yahoo Tech, Lifehacker, Huffington Post, The Guardian. Right, this is a legit VPN. And again, I just want to reiterate: if you're involved with cryptocurrency, make the little bit of an investment. Make the small investment in a VPN. Buy the 1-year subscription. You'll save even more money and you are set, because this is going to really make it more difficult for hackers to pin you down. On top of that, you're also going to get the added benefit of, government agencies and government institutions and large corporations are going to have a much more trouble gathering your personal information against your wishes. So there's a lot going on here. I know it's kind of a little bit of a rambly video, but just take this point home. If you're involved in cryptocurrency, get a VPN. I would recommend Purevpn, using my link in the description to get yourself a discount. But if you don't want to use Pure, use any VPN that is a paid VPN. If you're using a free VPN, you're doing it wrong. I'm telling you, they are scams. They're selling your data, and that's how they're making money. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and share it. I'll catch you next time, and as always, have a great day.